Hi, welcome back. In today's how-to video, I'm going to show you how you can have your music back on your phone. Google Play's gone? Yeah. I got a fix coming up, and it's happening right after this. Hi. I wanted to make this quick video because I found something really cool I wanted to share with you guys. Were you guys using Google Play for your music? Yeah, and then it just stopped and forced you to go to YouTube Music? I found something you're really gonna love. If you type in music player in the Android Play Store or whatever, the third one that come up was called Music Player. It's from InShot Incorporated, and it automatically transfers all your stored music on your phone right to that. I will include a photo. It's right up here. That's what you want to look for. Go download that, put it on your phone, and boom, all your music's right there. Hey, I hope it helped. If it did, let me know below. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Thanks so much for watching this how-to video. Hey, for more great helpful tips, make sure to click these right here. And if you like the content and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything coming up. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next one.